Let's move to the letter E. Uppercase E. Draw a straight line down. Then draw 3 short lines across. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Lowercase e. Draw a small line across, then curve around to close it. Words starting with E. Egg, elephant, eyes, earth, eagle.